Okay, so day 11, these chicks are out of control big, just like we've been seeing each day, but today, take a look how big they are. They have grown feathers, they have grown their flight feathers on the tips. They are starting to go through their shedding, molting phase, their little ratty look to them. They're turning into ornery little teenagers. They don't seem to be picking at each other or hurting each other, but they definitely seem to be flapping and jumping and trying to spread their wings, let's say. So today's been quite a busy day for me. I have finished a lot of the chicken run and I have turned my attention to the chicken coop because they're getting so big. I do want to be able to put them into that chicken coop in the next week or two. So I decided to go with the same look and the same style as the chicken run. So the chicken run was 16 feet and it was the pressure treated lumber and it had the corrugated polycarbonate roof. So I just went ahead and just continued that on. So instead of 16 feet, now we've got 20 feet of chicken run and chicken coop. So I was able to do the base of the chicken coop. I was able to get majority of the framing done today, all around the egg boxes, all around the windows to come, and then also for the doors to go in. I was able to actually finish up the roof. It got pretty dark on me, snuck up on me, so I'll throw a little time lapse in there for you too. But yeah, Joy let me know that it was time to cut it. So the neighbors, haven't said anything yet, but definitely pushing a little bit on the late night urban suburbia neighborly noise. Okay, the worst part of the day. Got to put the top on the chicken coop. It's awesome when a plan actually works out. What's your least favorite part?
When Richard forget to film the most important part of this whole building construction thing. So, like for example, this big ass wood, so heavy, like, I don't know, 20, 30 pounds, so you have to put it all the way up top of the roof the first time. But then he forgot to make the video out of it, so we're gonna do it all over again. And then there goes the sacrifice of like lifting weights 50 pounds for like, I don't know, 2 minutes until we set up the whole video stuff. So yeah, that's so much fun.
So, but anyway, I'm very excited that at least there is an end in sight here. Hopefully in the next day or two, I can finish up, if I'm lucky, the exterior and the whole protection part of the chicken coop. I'm not sure if I'll get to the egg boxes just yet, but they're not going to start laying eggs for the next 6 or so months, 5-6 months. Anyway, raising chickens, it's exhausting. Getting sawdust in your eyes and getting to use your hands is actually pretty rewarding. Joy and I worked pretty hard today, and it feels good to do a lot of this work. This homesteading thing is feeling good rather than punching in, punching out on the clock. Catch you later. I was taking some photo shoot, just messing with the birds, having some fun, and then we noticed that, or I noticed that this one, she wasn't opening up her eyes so much, and it was actually like stuck together. So I don't know what she had in it, some gunk and all, so I just went online and took a look, and it said to put a little warm compress. So that's what I did, and now she's actually starting to open that eye up a little bit more. And here we go, there we go, yeah. But then since I opened up her eye and got her feathers all wet, now I've got to kind of wait till she's dry. I don't want to just let her go back in with all the rest of them and be wet, because wet chickens don't do good. So we're just going to hang out for a little bit, but glad to see that the eye is opening up a bit. There was no pus or no purulent drainage. It was just kind of stuck together. So maybe just some sleep in the eye, or I don't know, hopefully not poop in the eye, but it was stuck. Now she's kind of singing and talking a little bit more.